We are moving towards Eklingi temple from our staying place. So it is told to be open till 1:30 p.m. We are hoping the temple is open till 1:30 p.m. Not 12:30. Otherwise, we'll have to move towards Haldighati then. Let's hope for the best. Look at the big side view. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. So this is the same route I think we took last night, from which we entered Udaipur, and this takes us to Eklingi temple as well. This is a small tunnel that we'll be entering. Let's go. Weather is still nice and cold, but you can feel the heat a little bit in the city, not in the highway. Once you're on the highway, it's all wind, left and right and left. Almost 5 kilometers remaining now. The lake. We just saw a group of yellow bikers, waving them goodbye, and it's good. Our recording was on, so now we have to ask someone here where is the exact temple location. Okay, that's the temple. I hope it is clearly visible from this angle. Let's find some parking spot. बाय बाय बोल दो कैमरे पे. ओके. So after doing the darshan at Eklingi temple, we are headed now to Haldighati because the Nath Dwara temple, what I am being told by many people, is that it opens at 3:30 now in the evening session. So before that, let's quickly cover the Haldighati area. Look at the lake. Forgot to bring our arm sleeves. another group of riders. We are almost about to reach Haldi Ghati in the next 10 minutes. So we have reached Haldi Ghati. The battlefield. You can see this is where it was fought. Soil is of the color of turmeric or haldi, you can say. Stop the bike over there, we'll see. What really happened was when the Akbar's army marched towards Pratapgarh. So they were Maharana Pratap's army was outnumbered 1 to 4, I guess. So he had his archers and tribal warriors planted over between these trees. They hid over there, and almost, I think, 40,000 people of Akbar's army, they couldn't march, all at once. So this was a small tunnel for them. So they were restricted and they were attacked from over here. We can see the moon as well. So they got pushed behind, and then the rest of the battle was fought in Raktalai, and which was, I think, over in one day, and there was no result in the battle. Rock strong. Now we'll head to Maharana Pratap Samarak and Chetak Samarak. So now we are headed towards Raktalai, the battlefield for the Haldi Ghati war, the final battlefield. We'll just take a quick look, and then we'll head towards the Nath Dwara temple, which is 40 minutes from here. So we are hoping we reach there on time, 4:30. Kumbhalgarh fort is has been told to me that it closes at 5 p.m. So I don't think we'll be able to reach there. So what we can do is come back to Udaipur and try to visit the city palace if possible. So tomorrow we can leave early morning for Chittorgarh and then for Kumbhalgarh. Till then, enjoy the view of Haldi Ghati Valley. Karthala is left and Nathdwara is right. Quickly go there and then leave for Nathdwara. Let's go. This is the Karthala battlefield. Yeah, still recording. Let's take a quick look and then we'll leave. Okay. We have reached the location of the Nathdwara temple. Let's just see where we can park a bike and which way is it actually. ये मंदिर का रास्ता किधर से है? नाथद्वारा
मंदिर
जी,
मंदिर पास में ही है।
आगे से राइट। ठीक, थैंक यू। Clutch is intact. Okay, there's the temple. See a no entry sign over here. So this must be the temple rasta. So we are leaving now from the Nathdwara temple. And now we are headed back to the city palace. Our stay is also over there, not very far from the location. So let's see if the entry of city palace is still open. We'll visit it tomorrow. We'll be visiting Kumbhalgarh, and if possible we can visit the Chittorgarh fort as well. We'll have to leave a bit early in the morning, and then on 9th we can head back to Delhi. If we leave early, then it's good. Otherwise, if we leave a little bit late, then probably we'll make a stop at Jaipur and stay there for the night, and then the next day we can leave for Delhi. that's what I am planning to do. Let's see how it goes. Street, the City Palace area. We just have to find the parking over here and see if the entrance is still open. Okay, I need to buy a ticket, parking and for the palace. सर एक बाइक पार्किंग की और एक पैलेस की टिकट चाहिए.
450
यूपीआई हो जाएगा?
400 हो जाएगा, 50 कैश देना है.
अच्छा. Okay, recording is still on. That's good. So it take a slip for the palace entrance, of course, and one for the parking.
कमल अरोड़ा.
सर एक पार्किंग की और एक पैलेस की कौन सी है?
पैलेस की.
अच्छा.
हाँ, वो डैडी वाला कमल अरोड़ा. कमल अरोड़ा पतला सा दोस्त ऑफिस में रहता है. अच्छा, अक्षय हाड़ा.
किधर पार्क करना है सर?
ऊपर सीधा.
ऊपर सीधा. थैंक यू. Okay, elephant zone. Here is the parking, and this is the palace. Neutral is giving us some problems. Some procession going on over there. Hope it's visible. Okay, so this is how it looks in the evening, the city palace. And then I'll tell you one story. So we parked our bike over here and forgot to take the keys with us, but it was as it is, untouched. That's the beauty and security of parking inside a palace, I can say.
कल्चर प्रोग्राम देखना क्या?
नहीं, कल्चर प्रोग्राम तो नहीं देखना हमको. So hope we have reached the right location. Hariyali. Turn from here is what it's showing over the Hotel Krishna. How can it be? Oh, okay. There was a parallel road coming from over here. It's now the Albati Restaurant. This is its board. So where is the place? It's closed, man. 11 to 4:30 7 to 9:30. So why is it closed? Let's ask. ये भैया बंद है क्या कृष्णा? अच्छा आज बंद. अच्छा
बाकी तो ओपन रहता है, आज ही बंद है।
ओह और की दुकान होगा यहाँ पर दाल बाटी के लिए?
है ना, संतोष दाल बाटी करके है, यहाँ से बाहर निकलेंगे।
हाँ
पहले तो आप राइट लेना,
राइट,
फिर लेफ्ट लेना।
हाँ
चौराहे पे आएगी संतोष
दाल बाटी.
वो अच्छा है। नहीं, वो संतोष दाल बाटी
संतोष,
के जैसा ही है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू यार. So Krishna was closed. No, we were reluctant to go to it, but we finally decided. But ultimately, we found it closed. So asked someone, and they said the owner has gone to some marriage today. That is why it's closed. Fun thing. So they have recommended us Santosh Dal Bati, a right and a left from here. Let's find it. खोड़ियार काठियावाड़ी ढाबा, दाल बाटी चूरमा, गणेश रेस्टोरेंट, एंड दैट इज संतोष भोजनालय. ओके.